Wow, it's a wonderful snowy day at Construction HQ. What are they building today? A gingerbread house? Mmm, tasty. Look at all that gingerbread. Ooh. They're building the house at the top of that hill. Whoa! It's a long way up and a steep climb. Be careful, Bump. Oh no! A piece of gingerbread has snapped. But Mrs. Skip is collecting the pieces. I wonder why. They're at the top. It's time to build. Go team! Good job, Digley and Dazey. Now CJ is gluing the walls together with icing sugar. Be careful, Daisy. That gingerbread breaks very easily. Uh-oh! CJ's to the rescue. Watch out, Mr. Rubble! Oh dear! Digley is lifting the next piece. Oh no! Not again! Be careful, everyone! This is very tricky. The gingerbread keeps breaking. They're working as a team to glue the broken pieces back together. It worked! Wow! Look at that gingerbread house. That was great teamwork, everyone. It looks very tasty. Nope, Daisy. This gingerbread isn't for eating. But Mrs. Skip has made snacks out of the broken gingerbread pieces. Yippee! Now this gingerbread you can eat, Daisy. Yum, yum. Delicious.